Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, so much of light and festival vibes in the air. I know everyone is so excited about upcoming festivals, so here I am with a very quick and easy festive makeup look. I know everybody is celebrating Navratri, Dandiya and Durga Pooja. आप इस लुक को कहीं भी पहन सकते हैं, as it is so easy to create. तो चलिए जल्दी से देखते हैं कि इस लुक को हम कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. I'm starting off with spraying some Ayurveda rose water on my face as it will help to keep my skin dewy. Next, I'm moisturizing my face with Nivea Aloe moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer of all time, and with this I have prepped my skin. Next, I'm using ColorBar primer to fill my pores. It also makes my skin really smooth, so my makeup applies really smoothly and stays for a longer period of time. And trust me, मैं इस मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल के बाद इसी मेकअप के साथ एक पार्टी में गई थी where I spent about 5 to 6 hours और मेकअप मेरा वैसा का वैसा ही था. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in golden beige mixed with the desert beige. Golden beige थोड़ा सा light है मेरे skin tone के लिए, so I decided to mix it with desert beige so that it matches with my skin tone. Here I'm using my fingers to blend the foundation. If you do not have any tools available, you can always go ahead and use your fingers to blend the foundation. Next, I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend my foundation. If you don't want to go overboard with the foundation, you can always use the beauty blender as it absorbs extra product from your face. ऐसा दिखता है कि ब्लेंडिंग कुछ ही सेकंड्स में हो जाती है, बट ऐसा नहीं है, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. लिटरली हाथ में दर्द हो जाता है यार. Let me know in the comment section below who else can relate. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige to highlight my under eyes. I'll also apply the same product on the center of my forehead, bridge of my nose and the corners of my mouth. Basically, I need more coverage in these areas. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glo Contour stick to basically contour my face. This is such a beautiful product. It blends so easily. It is so creamy yet so blendable. This is such an affordable product. You can always buy this from any of the website like Nykaa, Purple or hokmakeup.com. I'm again using the same beauty blender to blend the concealer and the cream contour. This concealer is so good. I'm actually going to run out of this concealer very soon and I have to reorder this again. मेकअप में जो भी टाइम लगता है वो ब्लेंडिंग में लगता है. ब्लेंडिंग इज़ द की. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका मेकअप केकी और पैची ना लगे तो आपको अच्छे से ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा. You should always take out 2 or 3 minutes to blend everything nicely. Next, I'm using the Maybelline loose powder in light to set the concealer. If you don't set your concealer, it would start creasing. ये loose powder को launch हुए अभी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ and this has become a cult favorite of many of the bloggers in such a short time. I'm kind of baking with this powder under my eyes and dust off any remaining powder on the rest of my face. Next, I'm using the NYX matte bronzer in medium. It is such a good bronzer, perfect shade for like my skin tone, not too warm, not too cool. I'm applying this bronzer very lightly wherever I have applied the cream contour. I really like the sun-kissed look. It really gives a definition to your face, like bronzing and contouring. It gives a definition to your face. Like only foundation and concealer makes your face look flat, with bronzing and contouring you can actually give shape to your face and enhance your facial features. Here I'm just dusting off the extra powder. Since I'm feeling a little dry, I'm spraying the Ayurveda rose water on my face. It is always the best idea to spray any face mist or makeup fixing spray if you're feeling too dry or powdery, as it melts all the powder into your skin. Next, I'm applying the same concealer onto my eyelids to give a base to my eyeshadow. I'll again set the concealer with Maybelline loose powder. For eyeshadow, I'm using my most favorite Jaclyn Hill palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette that you have. Here with this small brush, I'm just packing this blue color onto my eyelid. Next, I'm using this beautiful orangey brick color right above my crease and blend with the blue shadow to give a transition effect. Actually, I was planning to do some other eye look, but then I decided to make it simple and quick. So just patting the same blue color with this shader brush into my eyelids. I'll just keep adding on this color till I'm happy with the intensity. All the colors in this palette are really pigmented, so if you have any eyeshadow palette that is very pigmented, you should try to build up the color instead of getting overboard with the color the first time itself. With the same blue color, I'll smoke out my lower lash line. Here I'm just blending all the edges so that the eyeshadow looks smooth. Next I'm using the Sugar I Told You So eyeliner in black to create a small wing liner, because I'm not really good with the wing liner, so please bear me for that. Next I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal in black to tightline my upper lash line. By doing so you can fill up any gaps that is there between your lashes. Similarly, I'll tightline my lower lash line as well. This is a very budget friendly kajal. It is not completely smudge proof but does not smudge before 2 to 3 hours and stays on your eyes for a pretty long time. I find this kajal way better than the yellow Colossal one. Next, what I did was a game changer. I applied the Focallure glitter liner in Ochroid Titan in the center of my eyelids and tapped it with the help of my finger. It literally changed my whole eye look altogether. I was really happy with how my eye look turned out. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara in black and apply a generous amount of mascara onto my lashes. If you're looking for an affordable good mascara, this is the one. Next, I'm applying these falsies. These are from PAC. I don't really remember the number, but I'll provide the number in the description box later. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild blusher in Apricot in the middle. It is such a beautiful peach toned blush. It is not a matte blush, please keep that in mind. It has very small shimmer particles in it. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petal to highlight my cheekbones and the tip of my nose. I'm using this pinky shimmery color to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight my brow bones as well. Next, I'm applying the Nykaa Mini Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in Maharani. I feel this is such a gorgeous color that suits all skin tone equally. To finish off the look, I've applied this red small bindi and wearing this beautiful pair of earrings that I bought from Amazon. I will be providing all the products that I've used in the description box below. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. It looks so Indian, so traditional. And the best part is it was so easy to create, no dramatic eyeshadow, no nothing. Please let me know in the comment section below how do you like this look. अभी तो festive season शुरू हुआ है. We have Diwali, Bhai Dooj, Halloween, Christmas coming up. So I'm planning to create more such looks. So stay tuned to my channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिए और अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. इट वुड मीन अ लॉट टू मी. आई शैल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.